So I just did my oil change on my 2018 Mahindra Roxor. Very simple. There's the oil filter cap back in the back left corner. There's the dipstick. Everything is so easy to reach. The oil filter, just reach up past the frame, easy to remove, nothing to it. Lots of clearance underneath the unit. I think it was a 23 millimeter wrench, I'm not sure, but you can reach everything. Inside the valve cover, there is a baffle. Be careful when you're pouring. Okay, so there's a baffle in the filler, and this is going to be with the dipstick in, and you'll see how the oil takes forever to go down, and it will take you forever to fill. The oil has to bubble out around it. Just let that drip a bit. Get my rag. I'm going to pull the dipstick out. I can reach it without knocking my light over or my phone. So now I've removed the dipstick and show you how you still have to pour slow. Not the best. See if I can get that to focus again without spilling everything. There we go. So this is with the dipstick removed. You can see the oil pours down way faster. You can actually pour in pretty good. So I'm going to stop this now and finish filling. I just found another trick. You take one of these little funnels, I have mine cut off, and you set it right in there. It's up against the baffle, and then you can pretty much pour what you want, because it doesn't let it out past, and you're not going to overflow and make a mess. See, she runs right up. She's not going to run. It's just letting a little bit out the bottom at a time. Slick.